Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the minimal essentials, a Firebase project and a service account key. Create and download the JSON, then make a Python virtual env and install Firebase Admin and Google Cloud Firestore. Once done, choose Firestore versus real-time database now because your data model affects SDK calls and billing. Make sure to enable the auth providers you need. Then place the key securely. Do not commit it to version control, and write a short connect script that imports Firebase Admin and initializes the SDK. You now initialize the SDK and model your data. Initialize Firebase Admin using credentials, certificate, path/to/key, JSON, and set project options so requests target the right project. Then create collections, documents, or DB paths, design indexes for queries you will run. Use transactions or batched writes for atomicity, and add pagination for large result sets. Also implement auth token verification server-side so you can secure endpoints. While coding, run unit-like scripts to verify reads. You finish by thoroughly testing CRUD, concurrent updates, and auth-protected endpoints. Run integration tests against a staging Firebase project. Deploy your Python backend or cloud functions, and move keys into environment variables or a secrets manager so they are never in source. Make sure to enable logging and set up alerts. If something goes wrong, first check that the service account JSON matches the selected project and verify your security rules aren't blocking requests. This single check resolves most connectivity or permissions errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.